Hello, I am Dr. Vinod Surange, a faculty member in Operations and Supply Chain Management specialization at Symbiosis Institute of Business Management, Nagpur. Within this dynamic field, we explore the core of business operations, emphasizing efficiency and strategic decision making. In Operations and Supply Chain Management specialization, valuable insights into optimizing processes, managing logistics, and navigating the intricate complexities of supply chains are gained. Beyond theoretical concepts, the focus is on real-world impact. Operations and supply chain management serve as a backbone of successful businesses covering a comprehensive range of topics, from Lean Six Sigma for process optimization to operations management for strategic efficiency, materials management for effective resource handling, and logistics management for seamless supply chain coordination. Our program takes a holistic approach. The aim is to prepare for the multifaceted challenges in the business world, not only acquiring theoretical knowledge but also experiencing its practical application is integral. Together, we equip students with the skills necessary to thrive in the competitive landscape of operations and supply chain management. A warm invitation is extended for you to embark on this transformative journey where theory meets practice. The goal is to prepare for the challenges and opportunities that lie ahead in the ever-evolving world of business. I eagerly anticipate welcoming you to our vibrant and knowledge-driven community. Let's shape the future of the business together. Thank you.